Now, if you've always been interested in the crypto market and you don't know where to start and you're looking for signal groups, or you've been into signal groups and you just can't find the right one, well, this service that I've come across that I've been using for about a month now is ridiculous. Okay, you get access to over 100 different premium trading signal groups, so you can literally decide which one you want to choose. Today, I'm going to be showing you one group and exactly how you can get this for free. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Here we have it, guys. I've got it side by side to make it a little bit easier for you. Okay, on the right hand side, we're going to go through the website first. It is SignalPeak.io. Link will be down in the description for you to do your own due diligence. But what we can see here is you can embark on a journey to unlock the potential of cryptocurrency trading with SignalPeak. Over 100 plus premium Telegram channels offer exclusive access to expert guidance and timely signals. So the good thing about this is not only do you get the signals, but you get the education in some groups as well. Okay, as we scroll down, you can see that they've done multiple different publications in so many different online news articles. You can simply click on these and click them to see what they have to say. Spoiler, all very positive. As we scroll down, we can see that the crypto signals, these are some of the groups that they offer. They've got Alex Friedman, Master of Binance, The Bull, Binance Killers, Walsh Wealth Group. And then if you click this, it shows all your other channels. Now, as we can see, the list just keeps going on and on and on. Multiple different ones where you can honestly choose any one you like to do, because once you've signed up, you get access to all of these. Now, as you get down to the bottom and you see this, like I said in the intro, you can take the 1 day free trial. That gives you access to every single group still. You can do the 1 day free trial, and then if you like it, I highly recommend the lifetime option. That's $350 for every single group they have. And trust me, they're adding groups on the weekly basis. Whether there is any that you like to, send them a message. They might be able to reach out and get that added as well. But for the 1 day free trial, you get access to everything possible. The group I want to show you today is Binance Team. Okay, so that's Binance Team. It's got 132 people in it already, all benefiting and profiting off these signals. If we were to go through a couple for you, obviously what we can see is there is a latest trade been sent. So if you check the charts and this is still active, there's a free signal for you guys. Don't say I don't give you anything. But as we go up, we can see that the next one, take profit, target free met. If you click on that, it will go through. This was a BAT /USDT. It was a long, which means it's a buy position. Leverage is 12x. Entry gives you 0.157. And then your targets will be these. Okay, so me personally, I always go for the middle one. So for example, this one would be 0.16014, which we know has just hit take profit. Stop loss is 0.144. So this is a nice, easy signal for you to do. You go on your chart, go on your broker, wherever you are trading, put in your entry, put in your stop loss, and then put the take profit you want to pick. Now, if we go through a couple more, we'll scroll down just so we can get to the ones that have obviously hit. Now, for example, this one, Zen /USDT, was a short position, which is a sell. Leverage would be 12x again. Your entry has a market, so it's at 14.92 to 14.7. So if you come and you see this alert a little bit late, but it's still in that entry requirements, still take it. That's what the Binance team are telling you. Target is 14.56, and then it goes all the way up to 10.18. So if we scroll down to exactly where we were, we can see take profit target one hit. So my exit criteria would have been the middle one. However, if we go back down to the requirement and the beginning of this, you can see that all take profit targets have been achieved. So the profit was 162.2157% from one trade. Now, that's only one. If I were to click on this one as well, we can see that it had the exact same ones. This was a sell. If I go back down, all take profits hit again. All take profits hit. Take profit target free. So just these ones were 38%, 141%, 139%, 162%, and 51%. There you go, guys. The proof is in the pudding. I showed you just one group out of hundreds of ones that you get available. The targets were all met on multiple of those trades, and we had 140, 150, 164% profit just by joining this group. Can you imagine how much you're going to make simply either from a free trial or the monthly or even that lifetime option where you can get access to all these groups for forever? Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.